hello, 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 hello,
ये तो ऑन कर लेता।
hello, hello, hello. Is this okay? Hello, is this okay? Hello, is this okay? Okay, I guess it's working fine. Hello, is this okay? Hello, is this okay? I guess it's working fine. Okay, so um, today we'll be continuing with making our interpreter more um, better, I guess, or adding more functionalities, and we would be deep diving into the next chapter, which is presenting code. Here we would be looking into the AST's part of how to generate an AST with with the tokens, I guess, and also I have read some of it, but it was quite a while back, so I'll be rereading it and implementing it on the go. So if you are here new, if you are here, just like and subscribe my channel. Hope you will learn something new today. And yep, I guess that's all. We'll be starting with it right now. Yeah, can see Manav in the chat. Also, if anyone have any questions regarding anything that I'm doing, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer anything, everything that comes to that is being asked by anyone, to the best of my knowledge also, right? Because I'm also learning. And yep, that's it. Hope you enjoy. I guess I'll be talking this whole stream. So I guess that would be a better thing to do, because it would because I think it's not interesting to see another live stream just uh, where where the person is doing the work, and there's the sound, there's the audio coming from the background, right? I don't think so. That's not interesting, right? So I'll experiment for a bit with this thing, and let me know if you have any questions. Oh, amazing having a conversation with you while working. It's great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manav. Let's start it. In the last chapter, we took the raw source code as a string and transformed it to slightly high level representation as tokens. So blah blah blah. Before we do all that, let's focus on making all representation code. It should be simple for the parser to produce and easy for the interpreter to consume. Maybe your intuition can help. What is your brain doing when you play the part of a human interpreter? How do you mentally evaluate the expressions? Because I understand the order of operations, the old please excuse my dear Auntie Sally stuff. So in order to evaluate, I guess this would follow a certain type of sequence, right? Because the precedence of plus or star, I guess the star precedence is higher than the plus and negative one. it somewhat follows the baud mass rule, I guess, but it's not exactly the baud mass. So let's see. Here it is being talked about that stuff only. In order to evaluate an arithmetic, you need to know the numeric values of subtrays. So you have to evaluate those first. That means you're working your way from leaves up to the root. A post order traversal. Okay. Okay. The main thing would be how to make this type of trees, right? So I guess in this chapter or in the next one we will be seeing how to do this. Okay, this is the CFG, context free grammar. And enhancing our notation, I don't know what all these things are. Okay, this is the thing we should be looking at: literals and grouping, unary. These are the operators, right? Expression could have any literal, could be a literal, unary, binary, grouping things. Okay, implementing syntax tree. So we are implementing here only. Okay. So by the way, we would be continuing the Rust series that I was studying a while ago. I I paused it because um, I did read about the lexer and the parser in the Rust language itself. So it was it was a bit of a challenge to understand it fully, because you know if you haven't built any lexer or parser previously, it would be a difficult thing to do, right? So I switched to making a demo parser and lexer, and after that we would be continuing to study about all the other aspects of code generation and all the MIR, HIR stuff. So yep. So today's task would be to read all these things, right, and just code it in Rust. I think it would take me some time to actually manage to convert the Java functions into Rust, but I guess we have to do it today only, because otherwise it would be we are to be honest, we are at a very slow pace right now. We are in the past 2 or 3 live streams. We have only done the previous chapter. Also, because I guess it takes a bit of time to actually code it in the while actually code it while thinking about the solution, while also learning about the thing. Okay, I think something have come up. I guess I have to go. I'll be up in a while, and sorry for that. Sorry for this.